Once upon a time, in a land so far, far away.
Canada, Zimbabwe, South Africa.
Take a journey with us from Vancouver Island to Zimbabwe, Africa. Come, make music, dance, play, create, to tell stories that come alive.
From the land of the bananas.
The Banana Land!
We are Mbira spirits.
Shake what your mama gave you and keep on the sunny side. I'm Amy Matamba.
My name is Tafadzwa Matamba.
Let's make music with the Mbira, drums, osho, and marimba. We invite you to join us. You'll be outside moving, laughing, discovering, and making new friends along the way. Amy and Tafadzwa Matamba are your hosts. Artists and educators specializing in cultural exchange. Mbira Spirit, international award-winning musicians. Guest artists will join us to share new skills, ideas, and creative experiences. From Vancouver Island to Zimbabwe, a unique arts experience. Let's go!
Please join us for more stories.